Welcome to Living Off the Van. We're the Nolders, Henry and Sarah, along with our 3 kids, Nyoka, Kiana and Louie. We've packed up our everyday lives to travel Australia with no known end date. Watch and subscribe to Living Off the Van to follow our adventures and see all the amazing places we go. The sun has been actually out a little bit this morning, so we are going to go check out Elephant Rocks and I think Greenpool, and then head into Denmark and have a look around. Yeah,
I haven't been feeling the best the last couple of days. That's why you haven't seen me on the camera.
Uh-oh, Louis dropped his drill. Yeah, so far nice weather today, so we'll just see what we can do and hopefully the weather doesn't turn on us. We'll give you a little look at what you can get up to around Denmark. Louis got up! Oh, where's he going?
That rock is going like
Oh, go that way! Look at the water!
Just behind me here is Greenpool, so I just showed you all of that. And just on the other side of this hill, just here behind the camera, is Elephant Rocks. So we're just going to wander around the edge of the rocks here on the ocean side and have a look at that. And I'll flick the drone up in a minute and show you what this place looks like up top. So very, very pretty coastline. The water's colour's amazing, especially when the sun comes out.
As you go with the shot. The only worst thing about coming to Greenpools and Elephant Rocks is there's march flies everywhere and they just attack you. Try to enjoy the scenery and they're just attacking you. It's really annoying. So we come through that little crack track. And I think there's actually another track over there. So when we leave, we'll be going that way out, because I reckon that'll be the way you're supposed to come.
And that purple one.
Ooh. What do you think, Louis?
Yucky! 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 He said yucky.
I just flew with the drone and it looks absolutely stunning up there. Just going down here now to the beach. This is Nyoka's bucket list item. Like, this is the one thing that she wanted to do that she picked first on her trip. So we're going to go down here now. I'm just following her down to the main beach at Elephant Rock and see what she thinks of it. Very cool little beach down here. But we always do what we do, save the best till last. So check out this. So what do you reckon, Ike? Was it worth it?
At first it wasn't. I walked in, I was like, these are just rocks. And then you look at it more, and then they begin to look like elephants. Like here, you can see the tusk and stuff like that. And then behind it's another rock that's actually an elephant.
Yeah. If you look hard enough, you can make it out. That's the reason why it's called what it is. But it's very pretty, very stunning. Yeah, we'll get back to the car and go and have some lunch. Don't know where, maybe at a pub.
We have come to check out the dam here in Denmark. Some friends told us that we should pop in because they've got good ginger beer apparently. So Drew and Sal, if it's not good, look out.
I thought it was a brewery, but it's a distillery. Is that right?
I think so.
Not sure.
Yeah.
We're just going to go in and have a bit of a look. Oh, check out
Oh, they've got a cool playground.
Louie's going to love this joint.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Pretty cool. What's the first thing Louie's going to go and do?
Go to the play equipment.
Louie's playing up just to get out of the car to go play on this play equipment. It's pretty cool.
ginger beer, I'll start with that. That is nice ginger beer. So this one's the blood orange seltzer. Not bad. It's like water, like lolly water.
You can buy most of these in cans too.
Citrus. I reckon I might like this passion, pineapple passion. Yeah, that's nice. The pineapple passion's good. Borrow it.
I love all the colours.
That's really nice.
Louis
What do
one.
you want? Ready? Oh, let me have a taste of this vodka. Oh, good vodka. Okay, there you go. More vodka.
You can't trick him.
I know.
Looks good. Looks really good. So I've never ever had one of these. It's called a Marin, roasted Marin. And it looks so good. This is like the Yabby back home, but like on steroids, apparently. This is the very first time that we're going to do this, so Sarah sort of said, let's do it. There you go.
So this is bread with garlic truffle butter.
This place specialises in cannabis and infusing those into drink and food.
Cannabis botanicals. That's good.
Rah, 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 rah. Rah, rah, rah.
It's not even a crab.
Sit down before you fall again. Do you want some? Some fish?
That's good.
Sit down. You're gonna fall.
Just in case you couldn't hear me or Sarah inside the restaurant or the distillery there, because I had background music playing. We ordered the Marin and Sarah got a paddle.
Yeah, a tasting paddle of all the seltzers and the ginger beer. It was actually quite nice. Would have been a bit better with some ice because it wasn't that cold, but
Oh, it was.
yeah.
I liked the ginger beer. It was good. So
Yeah,
we
no, it was nice to chill there. They had really nice food. We've
anyway.
ticked tasting Marin off the list, and we had truffle garlic butter. So I guess we've tried truffle too.
So we've just come down to Albany, or I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sure it's wrong, because I crashed the drone a couple of weeks ago and the parts have finally turned up here in the post, and I wanted to pick them up because we were going to stay here on the weekend only. So we've had to duck from Denmark to here, which is about a 45-minute drive.
This is Albany or Albany. How do you say it? We've had mixed results. So I think
We'll just go with Albany.
if you call it Albany, maybe we'll call Albany number 1 and Albany number 2, and you comment which one's right. But we're just outside Albany. We're come to
Albany.
Albany. We've come towards the Gap and Natural Bridge, but we just saw the lighthouse and turned off and headed towards Cable Beach. So this is not Broome Cable Beach, this is Albany Cable Beach, and we're going to go for a walk down here and have a look because the water looks stunning. Whoa, look at the beach, buddy. I don't think you can really get down because it looks like the tide's in really high and you'll just be going to the rocks. What's the Dreamtime story, eh? So, it's about two brothers had their differences and were fighting over a young woman. The elders became tired of their squabbling and sent them to the Gap. And they made one stand on one side and the other on the other. One was good at throwing spears and the other was good at throwing boomerangs. They both threw them and they were both struck by one another's fighting tools. Both warriors fell into the water and the brother was struck in the back by a boomerang and turned into a shark. The fin on the shark is the boomerang, and the other brother, who was hit by the spear, turned into a stingray, which is the stinger on the stingray. Wow. Yeah. There you go. That's what happened. Let's go have a look.
Like looking at Jurassic Park is insane.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I don't know if you can hear me real well, but with the wind, this GoPro will not do this place justice. The view is absolutely insane. It's so pretty. so going to try and flow the drone through this thing.
Oh, I don't know. You might get taken out by a wave.
I'll have to wait till the wave drops out.
How do you know what's on the other side?
You skirt around.
I'll go have a look first. Yeah, so there's a really good probability that I'm
wave.
going to lose the drone.
No.
Going to try and fly underneath it, but if I timed it wrong or it dropped out the transmission with the goggles, which it can do around granite, then it's gone. Like, I'm not buying another one. So I really would have loved to have done it, but I didn't. I chickened out.
He's a wuss.
Alright, we'll go back there.
No. What's that? Rock. It's like making music.
That's Albany, Calbany.
Albany.
I'm gonna go with Albany, just so like.
Okay, you be Albany and I'll be Albany, and we'll just say both of them.
Well, yeah, I'm just gonna go with Albany just because it's like annoying Sarah.
You just said Albany.
Sorry, I'm gonna go with Albany because it's annoying Sarah because she thinks it's Albany, but we're not really sure. But that's it over there, and this is Stony Hill. Look out, it's pretty cool. We're just 100-meter walk. It's a nice big ship over there waiting to get loaded over at the port. I'm kind of glad we come for a drive today. Beautiful sunny day, and got to check out a fair bit of stuff around here, which is great because you can't really bring the caravan in any of these areas, not easily anyway. So we'll jump back in the car and see what else is just around here. If not, we'll head back to the caravan. I've just gotten up from last night and I spent close to 4 hours pulling this down to basically nothing. I had to pull everything apart to replace these two small things. So basically what happened was when I crashed it, I ripped the very end of this off, and I thought it was just like an earth wire, so I sort of connected it back up. Turns out it's actually a coax antenna wire, so there's actually 2 cables in there, not 1. So I had to replace that. And this is just a antenna and LED strip light that's in one of the legs, and it's broken in half. So it's all fixed now. Now I'm going to go outside and hopefully I'll put it back together and it actually flies. So let's see what happens with this. Well, I just took it for a fly. It seems to be working okay. I'll show you what it looks like around the caravan park here, and the beach and all that stuff out the front. Looks pretty cool. So it did everything it's supposed to do, so hopefully it's all sorted. It was basically just the communication from the drone back to the controller and the eyepiece, or this bit. It was glitching in and out, and the reception on how far I could travel with it wasn't as good, so that was the reason why I had to pull it apart. So that's all done now, and I'll just pack this away. And I don't know, I'm pretty tired though from being up late last night, so I'm hoping Sarah will let me have a nap later, but I doubt it.